Hi everyone, this is Jessica and I'm here to review Aviary Myna Audio Editor. I chose this tool because I am familiar with using Audacity, but I've never really gotten beyond the basics with Audacity. I haven't found it that easy to go beyond the basics and I wanted to try something new. This is a web-based audio editor and I found it really simple to use, really user-friendly, and overall kind of fun to play around with. I think students would enjoy using it, and it's not very intimidating. It is a free service, and so far it's pretty reliable. The only problem I have is it sometimes gets a little quirky when you're uploading files. Seem to have the best luck trying to to record audio first before I import audio. You can pull tracks from basically two main places. Once you import, there'll be a list of imported files over here, and then down here, there's a library underneath. There's 10 tracks over to the side where you can record, where you can lay things out. So I'm going to try to record audio first and allow this because that seems to work the best. So I'm going to start the recording. It's really simple. So this is me recording my voice like I might do for a podcast or to have some voice over, for a project. And I'm going to stop that. And you can import it right to the project and name it. And then it should show up over here. Um, and in a moment over here where the imported files are. There it is. And then all you do is drag it into a track here. And then you can start from the beginning and hear it. You probably, this is me recording yeah, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear that because I think one thing that it is using the sound card. The program is using the sound card. So when I'm doing the screencast, it's not recording the sound card. The sound that I can hear, you can't hear. So that's not so great, but I tried to figure it out, and I think that's what's happening. So the other thing you can do is you can import some audio. This program, so you want to browse your computer. This program does um, like to try and hook you up with Facebook and you are uploading onto the web, they do sort of encourage you to tag and share your files. But so you want to be careful to make sure you're not sharing, I would think, sharing files that are copyrighted music. But if you create your own music, you can share and mark it as something that could be in Creative Commons. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. And um, so I'm going to use this. So you upload it, you can describe it, you can choose, see here's where they say only you can see it, um, what type of license you want. So if you did want to do Creative Commons, you can name it and things like that, but I'm not going to do that because I didn't create that. So in that sense, I think you just want to be aware that it is uploading everything onto the internet um, while you're creating everything. There are some tutorials for this that they have on their website. This is free. You create a password. You can save your projects, and they do have a bunch of videos. I also found some on YouTube that were pretty helpful, but it is pretty intuitive and easy to do on your own. So hopefully when this is done, this will show up over here. That's the only quirk is every once in a while something doesn't upload and doesn't show up over here. Um, I'm not going to upload another file. And that's happening again. Keeps happening. Okay, so that is one sort of quirky thing. If you go to this is toggles back and forth between the library. So that's another place you can listen to these different intros or loops or ends to things. And again, you just drag them in and create that. Some other things that you can do. Oh, okay. So now that's considered imported. Now everything that you've used is over there. So it didn't import that other one. So that's one quirky thing that does happen every once in a while. Once you have the track, you can do different things. If you go to auto, you can create fades that are really easy to just pull a fade in there. And I don't think you can hear this. And The other thing, if you click on the track, double click on it, it pulls up this whole cool way that you can put in reverb and things, and then you can play with all of these to change it around. So it's really kind of fun. I don't really understand all of that stuff from an audio perspective, but you could definitely play around with the sound of your voice and do some fun things. Um, Overall, I think I could really see students using this to create podcasts. It's so easy to sort of put the music in the background and play around with the volume, which is here to make one softer, to make one louder, and easy to edit and pull. You just can pull things one way or the other. And so I think it's really, really a great tool. And so thank you, and hopefully you'll check out aviary.com, the Myna Audio Editor. Thanks.